Hello guys, and welcome back to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'm going to show you 5 simple tricks every beginner should know when you start your Photoshop journey. Okay, so are you ready to take your photos from ordinary to extraordinary? Okay, so first let's talk about the power of curves. This tool lets you adjust your photo brightness and contrast with precision. Simple tweak the curve to enhance the shadows and highlight, giving your image that professional touch. And I have a full video on how to adjust the brightness and contrast of your pictures, and here's the video, so you can go check it out to know the different kind of level adjustment you can use to brighten up your images. So when you hit Ctrl M on your keyboard, you can adjust the brightness of your pictures. Okay, so when you hit Ctrl M on your keyboard, it's going to bring up the curves option, and you can move the slider to the top or to the down to adjust the brightness of your pictures. So when you're done, you click on OK. Okay, so next we have the magic of blending modes. Experiment with different modes on duplicate layers to create unique effects. Whether you want to add textures or change colors, blending modes can dramatically alter the mood of your photos. Alright, so I have this beautiful background over here. So when you go to this side, you can choose which blend you want, and each blend gives you a unique effect. So you can play around with these blends to find the one that is suitable for you. Alright, so I'll go with this blend. Then I'll reduce the opacity to 50. Okay, so there you have it, very nice and beautiful. Okay, so now don't overlook the wonders of saturation adjustment. This allows you to change specific colors in your photo, making them pop or creating a harmonious color palette. It's a quick way to add vibrance to your images. Okay, so let's go to image adjustments, then we click on hue and saturation. So over here you can adjust the hue and saturation of your pictures to give you that vibrant look. You can move the sliders to the left or the right till you get your desired level of saturation. So you can either increase or decrease the level of saturation of your pictures. So you can move the sliders to the left or to the right to either increase or decrease the level of saturation. So when you're done, you click on OK. Very simple, right? Alright, so now let's explore the power of filters. From adding a dreamy blur to creating a vintage look. Filters can give your photos a whole new vibe. Just remember to use them for the best results. Alright, so I have a beautiful picture over here, and when you go to filter, you can play around with these filters to give your photo that vibrant look or that vibe. So let's go to blur, then we click on Gaussian blur, and over here you can increase or decrease the slider to blur your image. And when you're done, you click on OK. Very simple, right? And finally, don't forget about the clone stamp tool. This handy feature allows you to remove unwanted distractions from your photos, helping to keep the focus where it belongs. And I'll be showing you guys in my next video. So if you're still haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. This simple edit can make a world of difference in your photography. Thanks for watching. If you found these hacks helpful or these tricks helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more wonderful Photoshop tips and tricks. I'll see you guys in my next video.